Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom dynamic QR code in Canva, perfect for linking websites, social media, or any digital content you want. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to design a fully personalized QR code that not only works seamlessly, but also looks amazing. Let's get started, access Canva, and start your design. First, head over to canva.com and log in. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is free and super quick. Once you're in, click on Create a Design and select a custom size. Something like 500 by 500 pixels works perfectly for a QR code. Generate your dynamic QR code next. Open the Elements tab on the left panel and search for QR code. Canva allows you to create a dynamic QR code, which means you can change the destination link later without needing to create a new QR code. Click on QR code generator, then enter the URL or link you want your QR code to point to. Hit generate and Canva will automatically create your QR code. Customize your QR code. Here's where it gets fun. You can personalize the look of your QR code directly in Canva, change the color to match your brand, add a gradient, or even place a small logo or icon in the center. Make sure the design is still scannable. Avoid covering too much of the code itself. Integrate the QR code into your design. You can now drag your QR code into any Canva project, whether it's a flyer, social media post, business card, or invitation. Resize and position it wherever you like. You can also combine it with other design elements, backgrounds, or text to make it stand out. Download and share. Once your QR code looks perfect, click download and choose a format. PNG or PDF works best for high quality. Now your dynamic QR code is ready to be shared online, printed, or added to your marketing materials. The best part? Because it's dynamic, you can change the destination link anytime without redoing your design. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you learned how to create a custom dynamic QR code in Canva that's both functional and stylish. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a guide like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.